Well, I started a little unsettled. It took me a while for settling down. I almost started my match on the 32nd minute after the competition started. Made a tactical mistake in between. I had to take a rest in the third series, but I skipped it. So I had two nines there, but came back strongly. I had also a little bit of time pressure, which I had to overcome, and I had about 30 shots in about 25 minutes. So, and we were training especially for the last shot because generally I give up on the last shot and I shoot a nine, but we were training especially during the training sessions for the last shot, and I'm quite happy that it went well in the end.
Gagan, when you finally looked back, you raised your thing. When did it sink? When did you know that you'd actually done it and the medal was yours? And
Oh, I was looking at the Chinese shooting. The scoreboard was right in front, so I knew every shot, what was happening, what was not happening. It was kind of irritating when I was seeing going from first, not first, second, third, fourth, up second, up third. So it was kind of frustrating, and I wanted to catch up to the first and second place. And when I tried to do that, I got a little. My muscles were a little edgy, and a few nines came then, and then I just told myself that okay, take it easy a little bit, and just do your thing. Don't twitch. Don't try and shoot a really good shot. Just let it happen, and that's when the 10 started coming back. And the last shot, the Chinese shot a 10.4, and I was waiting for him to finish his shot, and I saw he shot a 10.4, and I had to shoot a good shot, and I nailed it in the end, so it was all right.
You fought for a decade to get this medal. I mean, Beijing was a heartbreak. Just talk about this journey from Beijing to now.
Well, yeah, I mean, every athlete who comes to the Olympic Games puts in all the effort and hard work which is required, and I think it's the journey. If for me, it's the journey which is more important than the outcome. I mean, yes, it's good that the medal has come, but yes, the journey was quite difficult. There was a lot of ups and downs initially during the preparation, and a lot of things didn't go my way. But in the end, of course, the medal came, and the rest all is
A word on
history.
coach.